Hey guys, this is me, Moonstones, or the Aria B123AJ, however you'll call me, and I'm here to show you something I just previously watched. So, this is Julian 2's video, Animal Jam Fighting on Animal Jam Adventures New Lands, and even just from watching a minute of it, I found what Animal Jam's going into, and Julian 2's right. I started Animal Jam in August 2011, and far by that, I just saw like no good updates at all. I mean, they're good, but nothing greater than this. And this is just brilliant. I mean, Julian 2 reasons with this really well, and he actually has a good idea that in Bepper's video, there's the Tootlet and the Fierce and that stuff and the Pokemon kind of thing. Other than that, I think Animal Jam is coming into the fighting thing. Julian 2's right. And some proof is this. I mean, I've been kind of thinking about this for a while, but here's the big proof. Like, it just hits you right there. Return of the Alphas. Sorry about the download bar thing. But Return of the Alphas. This came, I think, in mid-February, January, I think. But it was technically like a sign or something that, or like a preview of what Animal Jam is going to come into. And I'm super happy about that because technically I think it's that Phantoms are like coming to get us as like revenge, and then the Alphas are going to come back and everything. It's all like, and now the koalas are leaving and everything. It's all like everything at once. But mainly I think that this is just a little suggestion, but it's probably gonna go a little crazy. But this is just what would be cool is that if so the Alphas are warning us and the Phantoms are coming to attack us. So then the Alphas give the members spirit armor and spirit helmets to protect us from the Phantoms. But not alone that, they sent the koalas to search for new land. Like, maybe as backup, we can go over there and the Phantoms won't get us. And, or, yeah, that's what I think is one of them. And now they're adding items as battle like stuff, so as if you, when you wear them, you have like a power or something to get it. And I think this is really good because Animal Jam is not typical like little boring thing or something, but maybe now because of the 10 million jammers, they actually thought of doing something exciting or something. So I found that, and as I want to like just discuss, what do you think it's gonna be? Well, I'll just type this.
You could push this around so what? Push this around, you
Can you watch my video about? No, let's not do that. Yes. I think the return of the alphas is to protect us and warn us about a rebellion with the Phantoms. They give us spirit armor and spirit spirit, oh my gosh, I cannot spell it today. Helmets to protect us, and they are making items for us to wear for attacking and defense. And what I also think is that Cosmo went to find land because I think there will be a story coming along with this. And we are sent to the new land as in case the phantoms are strong. This is my theory, and I uploaded a video about it. Okay, sorry that took forever. Okay, so please type in the comments what you think about this and just let me know for some good ideas. But this is my theory, and that's it. Bye, guys.